Hello and welcome to this tutorial for the Humap Content Management System. In this series, I will be showing you how to create and curate content on your Humap instance. This tutorial is for taxonomies and taxonomy terms. To get to the CMS, you'll first need to log into your Humap admin account. You can do that by navigating to your instance home screen and adding /admin into the address bar and clicking enter. On the login screen, type your email address into this box and your password into this box. If you would like the browser to remember your details, click Remember Me and then click Login. Taxonomies are how content on Humap is organized. The taxonomy is the overarching similarity, and the taxonomy terms are the smaller subcategories. Click Taxonomy in the CMS menu to get to this screen. This is where you can edit, delete, and create new taxonomies. To create a new taxonomy, click Create Taxonomy or New Taxonomy. Name your taxonomy and give it a short description in the box below. If you would like this taxonomy to appear on the search screen of your Humap instance, click this selection box. If it is a legacy taxonomy and you don't want it to be edited or filtered, click this selection box. If your taxonomy will be displayed on the search page, you can also decide if you would like it to be displayed in checkboxes, radio buttons, or as a nested drop-down menu. When you are done, click Create Taxonomy. Return to the taxonomy dashboard and click View Taxonomy Terms. The Taxonomy Terms dashboard looks like this. Click New Taxonomy Term, add a name into the Name text box, use the drop-down menu to pick which taxonomy this term belongs to, and click Create New Taxonomy Term. Done. You now have taxonomies and taxonomy terms. From this dashboard, you can edit and delete this term. To add another term, return to the taxonomy dashboard and repeat the process. You can have as many taxonomies and taxonomy terms as you think necessary. You can tag your content with these terms and they will show up on the search page if indicated. This is how taxonomies look on the search page of your Humap instance. If you have any questions or suggestions about this video or feature, please feel free to get in touch with us at team@humap.me.